Alright guys, Bearded Northman out here. I am in Timmins, Ontario right now at the Radical Gardens Dinner and White Party. Just getting my fire going right now. Everything else is on its way in. We're going to be doing a cedar plank campfire cooked trout fillet with small russet potatoes and asparagus, all done in tinfoil pouches around the sides of my fire. It's going to be really interesting. Should be really delicious. This is part of the 7-course meal, guys. This is going to be one of the most epic dinners that I've ever even eaten, let alone taken part in cooking. All right, stay tuned. This is going to be probably one of my most interesting episodes in a long time, guys. All right, thanks. Guys, my fire's going really good. Everybody's getting themselves set up. Things are going great. Just waiting for my fish to arrive, then we're gonna strap it, stick it, start smoking it. Alright, so here's a little bit better look at what I'm making tonight, guys. Check it out. Some beautiful trout fillets. If I'm not mistaken, this is lake trout. Yeah, we got it a nice distance from the flame. You don't want to actually use the flame to cook this. This is delicate fish, so it takes delicate heat. This is what we're doing. I got my spuds and onions in packs back here behind the fire. Again, we're using the indirect heat to cook this. Inside these little packets here, I got some asparagus. We're going to steam those off on the distance of the fire, but we got to give everything else some time to catch up. All in all, this should be a pretty good plate, guys. Not one to toot my own horn, but yeah, beep beep. Alright guys, you can see behind me, my whole course is now on the fire. So I've just added my asparagus, my potatoes are going, trout's smoking in a nice ring around the fire. This is one of the most epic meals I've ever cooked over a fire, guys, and it's coming along pretty good.
Over the rainbow we are high. There's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why, oh why can't I? Someday I wish upon a star. Makes no difference where the clouds are far behind me. where troubles melt like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you find.
All right, guys, that's it for my part of the dinner and white party. Hope you enjoyed the video. All right, like we saw, remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, smash the bell. I'll tell you when the next video is coming out, guys. All right.